that paperclip, nobody touched it. Maybe something invisible is moving it. Let's see under the table. Nothing here. Keeping it a secret. There it is! Look at it glide! Go, go, go! You're almost there! Look at it go! Right through the maze! You're doing it, Ayra! Almost there! We did it! Magnets create an invisible magnetic field that can pull some metals, like iron and steel. Can't see the magnetic force, but we can see what it does.
Allah tells us He will show us His signs. Some things are invisible, but we can observe their effects.
Subhanallah! See you in our next science adventure! Ibrahim, nobody is blowing this balloon. Then, who will fill it? Let's see what we need. We need baking soda and vinegar. First, let's pour the vinegar in. Now it's time for the baking soda. Now let's see what happens. It's blowing up all by itself. It's the gas filling the balloon.
Allah tells us to think about His amazing creation. Every discovery helps us appreciate the amazing world Allah created.
When vinegar and baking soda mix, they make carbon dioxide gas. The gas needs space, so it fills the balloon. Can you guess what experiment we'll try next? Tell us in the comments. Assalamu alaikum! Who kissed my nose? I think Allah wants us to discover something amazing today.
Come with me.
Wow! This is called evaporation. Oh no! Too heavy!
And we sent down from the sky water in due measure.
Subhanallah. Allahumma sayyiban nafi'an. Science helps us understand how rain falls. The Quran, this perfect system. Every little raindrop is a gift from Allah. Science taught us how rain falls. See you in the next adventure, inshallah.